Hey family, it's your girl Mila with Simply Beautiful Hair Care coming back with another special video. Basically, I'm just here to talk about me filling in my client's brand new closure that was very sparse in the front, and she did not like that. So we're going to be filling that in today, and this is the hair that we're going to be using. I had to actually draw the hair out to get the shortest lengths, because we're just filling it in for fullness, not for length. So this is just a little capture of the first problem area that I saw when trying to fill the holes of the lace in with more hair. I don't know if you can see in this area here. This is very, very sparse. There's several holes in the lace that have absolutely no hair in it, and that is just not cool. So we're going to be filling that in by ventilating single strands, single knots into those holes. This is a very time-consuming process, but it's very rewarding in the end, and keep watching, you'll see why. There's several areas in this closure that are very sparse. This was just the first area that I noticed, and as I move on down to the other side of the closure, you'll be able to see other areas as well. Like right here where my finger is, that's another area. I mean, there are several areas. If I just open it up, you'll really be able to see, but I wasn't doing that at the time. So this clip here is basically me showing you where I was halfway done, almost halfway done. This area is a little bit more filled in as opposed to this side. This is how it was in the very beginning. I had started on the corner, but I decided to go back on the other side. So there's kind of a big gap right there, if you can tell. So yeah, we're almost done. Here's another angle of that gap. You can really, really tell with the light how much I have already filled in and how much more I have left to go. Yay, so now we're all done with the closure after 8 hours. I pretty much focused on the front hairline because that gave us some issues before. But yeah, so now she can flip and whip her hair however she wants. Feel comfortable for her graduation coming up. Get it, boo. Okay. As you can see, she's feeling herself. Congratulations. This is a long-time client of mine. I love her. Hey, Georgia. This is Georgia's newest RN, you guys, so congratulate her. She deserves it. If you are in the need for a mobile hairstylist that's very versatile, won't have you waiting in the salon for a long time, you can feel comfortable in your own space. If you need a babysitter, you don't have to worry about that because you'll already be in your space. If you don't have a ride, don't worry about that. I'll come to you. I'll meet you where you are. Home, office, studio, events. It's very ideal for stay-at-home moms and entrepreneurs. And I do service the Atlanta area. So if you are in need of someone to come and service your hair care needs, then hit me up. Thanks for watching, and you all have a great day.